Aloha everyone! So, Tatay Dudong and I decided to have an early morning walk on a Saturday because we are both off on weekend. So, napagplanuhan naming dalawa na mag-walking from Waikiki going to Magic Island in Ala Moana Park at Ala Moana Boulevard. It is quite a long walk, but you will not feel the heat. You will not feel tired kasi ang gaganda ng mga tanawin na makikita mo habang naglalakad ka. So, busog na busog yung mga mata mo sa magagandang tanawin. That's why we always love to walk in Waikiki. Kasi napakaraming magandang tanawin na makikita mo. So dito, gusto mong ma-experience yung nanonood ka ng whole Waikiki or around Oahu, dito ka lang mag-rent ng masasakyan mo na small boat. So maraming for rent dito, marami ding for sale. For sure ang mamahal. So tingin lang kami, tingin lang kami. So this is the man-made lagoon in Hilton, Hawaiian Village. The sun is up already, but it's not that tiring. So ito, taxi lang ito dito. So ayan, maraming tao ang sumasakay sa pink boat. They just want to have breakfast in the boat. Now we are in Magic Island. I always love coming here because ang daming taong nag-walking, nag-i-exercise din. So you will not be bored because iba't ibang klaseng tao ang makikita mo. May nag-walk lang, may nagja-jogging. Meron ding natututo ng diving. Ganda talagang tingnan dito. Maraming kalapate. Minsan may marami ding nag-fishing dito. I guess it's fishing ban this season. Kasi wala kaming nakikitang nangingisda. Or I'm not sure. Kasi ang ganda ng view. Ganda talaga ng view. Nakaka-relax. Relaxing while inhaling fresh air. Yung tunog ng the sound of the waves is also very relaxing. It seems like music to the ears. Sarap pakinggan, nakaka-relax. Sarap matulog na nakikinig sa hampas ng alon sa dalampasigan. Ang ganda ng tanawin. Good morning everyone. We are here in the Magic Island. Marami ding naliligo ng maaga, may nag-exercise. Tawag nila dito si ano yun yung
and then just sitting here
nakaano sila sa parang surfboard at
Hanggap
nag-exercise.
hangin
I
para
guess
sa
it is fun
kaayuhan
to
sa baga.
do. Probably one of these days I will try to do it. I'll inquire
Lantaw-lantaw.
how
Sa
to
mga
participate
maayong
and how
makita.
much. Kasi walang libre. Parang palaging may bayad lahat, di ba? You see?
Okay, so this is
This is so relaxing for us. A very simple people having just a simple life in Hawaii. This is very relaxing, very good view. Makikita mo lang sa sa kalendar ang mga ganitong tanawin. Parang nasa kalendar. Pero it's real. So I am with my buddy. Ang nakakaganda sa aming dalawa ng asawa ko, pinagplanuhan namin palagi ang dapat namin gawin the next day. So thank you.